Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Let's solve this question which says in EcoR1 the letter R is derived from option A name of the scientist, option B name of the strain, option C name derived from genus, option D name derived from kingdom. So let us understand the question. It says in EcoR1 the letter R, okay, they are asking for the letter R is derived from. So first of all, what do you mean by EcoR1? EcoR1. EcoR1 is a type of restriction enzyme. Okay, it is a type of restriction enzyme, okay, which has been isolated from E. coli. Okay, it has been isolated from what? E. coli. Okay, and what do you mean by restriction enzyme? These are nothing but the molecular scissors. They have the specific, region on the DNA onto which they can cleave or bring about cutting. Okay, that's why these are called as molecular scissors. So all restriction enzymes are called as molecular scissors. So that you have to keep in mind. So this is a type of EcoR1 is a type of restriction enzyme which have been isolated from E. coli. So they are specifically asking for letter R. That means they are talking about the naming convention. Okay, that is the name convention. How do they name these restriction enzymes? So when you talk about EcoR1, R1, you can see the first letter, it has been derived from the genus. And what is the genus here? It is Escherichia, because E. coli full form is Escherichia coli. Okay, the first letter is from the genus. And the next two letters are from the species. The coli is the species, so it is CO are the first two letters of the species. Okay, then R is nothing but the strain. Okay, the strain of E. coli, that is R strain. And the Roman number 1, it denotes the, the number, or you can say the order in which it was isolated. So order of isolation. So maybe this was the first, restriction enzyme which was isolated from E. coli, and that is why it is EcoR1. So you may be having EcoR2, EcoR3, etc. based on the order in which they were isolated. So order of isolation. So this is the naming, this is how they are named. Their E is derived from genus. The second CO is derived from the next two letters. Okay, EO is derived from the species, R is derived from the strain, and the Roman numeral is derived from the order of isolation. So here the question says in EcoR1 the letter R is derived from. So option A is name of scientist. No, it is not name of the scientist as we have discussed. Name of the strain. Yes, that is the correct answer. Option C says name derived from genus. No, R is not derived from genus. Instead, E is derived from genus. And name derived from kingdom. So there is no, there is no name derived from kingdom in this particular case. That is in naming of the restriction, because this is the rule: genus, species, strain, and order of isolation. So the correct answer is what? Option B. So let us conclude the answer. The answer is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.